Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, English Waves. I'm Anna. Look at this, my phone. Right now, I could send an email, post on social media, stream a movie, video chat with someone on the other side of the world. Yesterday, my friend sent me a text. Can you reboot your router? My video call keeps freezing. And I thought, wow, 10 years ago, that sentence would sound like alien language. And last week, someone told me my computer crashed. I lost all my files because I forgot to back up. I wanted to help, but I didn't know how to say it all in English. Technology vocabulary changes so fast. New words appear every year. Apps, streaming, cloud storage, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. These words didn't exist 20 years ago. Today, we live in a digital world. We need English tech vocabulary for work, for communication, for entertainment, for everything. So today, we're diving into technology and internet vocabulary, from smartphones to social media, from passwords to downloads. And to help me today, my tech-savvy co-host Ben is here. Ben, are you good with technology?
I love technology. I just upgraded my phone and installed new software on my computer.
Perfect. You already used 3 tech words: upgraded, installed, software.
Today, we'll teach everyone the English they need for our digital age.
By the end, you'll navigate the tech world like a pro.
Let's connect.
Let's start with the basics. What are the devices we use every day?
Main devices.
Computer, laptop, desktop, tablet, smartphone, smartwatch.
Desktop is a computer that stays on your desk. Laptop is portable. You can carry it.
Tablet is like a big phone or small computer. iPad is a type of tablet.
Smartphone is a phone with internet and apps. Smartwatch connects to your phone.
Parts of a computer.
Screen, monitor, keyboard, mouse, touchpad, speaker, webcam, microphone.
Monitor and screen mean the same, what you look at.
Mouse moves the cursor. Touchpad is the flat area on laptops for moving the cursor.
Keyboard is for typing. Webcam is the camera on your computer. Microphone or mic records sound.
What about inside the computer?
Hard drive, memory, RAM, processor, storage, battery, charger.
Hard drive, or storage, is where files are saved. RAM is temporary memory for running programs.
Processor, or CPU, is the brain of the computer. Battery gives power. Charger charges the battery.
Basic computer actions.
Turn on, turn off, restart, reboot, shut down, sleep mode, charge.
Restart, or reboot, means turn off and turn on again.
Shut down means turn off completely. Sleep mode means low power mode.
My computer is dead means the battery is empty. I need to charge it.
These are the foundation words everyone needs.
Now let's talk about the internet. How do we get online?
Connection vocabulary.
Wi-Fi, wireless, broadband, mobile data, hotspot, router, modem.
Wi-Fi is wireless internet, most common way to connect.
Router sends Wi-Fi signal in your home. Modem connects you to the internet.
Wi-Fi is wireless internet, most common way to connect.
Router sends Wi-Fi signal in your home. Modem connects you to the internet.
Mobile data or cellular data is internet on your phone without Wi-Fi.
Hotspot means sharing your phone's internet with other devices.
Can I have the Wi-Fi password?
What's the network name?
How do I connect to Wi-Fi?
Go to Settings, look for Available Networks, enter the password.
Connection problems.
Slow connection, no signal, weak signal, connection lost, offline, can't connect.
My internet is so slow. I lost my connection. I'm offline.
Why is my Wi-Fi not working? My phone won't connect. The signal is weak here.
Try restarting your router. Turn Wi-Fi off and on. Move closer to the router.
Internet speed vocabulary.
Fast, slow, high speed, bandwidth, lag, buffer, loading.
Bandwidth is how much data you can send or receive. More bandwidth means faster.
Lag means delay. Buffer means waiting for video to load.
The video keeps buffering. There's too much lag. This page is loading slowly.
We all know these frustrations. Now let's talk about software, the programs we use.
First, what's the difference between software, app, and program?
Good question. Software is the general term. Program usually means computer software. App usually means phone software.
Microsoft Word is a program. Instagram is an app.
Exactly. Common actions with software.
Download, install, uninstall, update, upgrade, open, close, launch, run.
Download means get it from the internet to your device.
Install means set it up so it works. Uninstall or delete means remove it.
Update means get the newest version. Upgrade means change to a better version, often paid.
I downloaded the app. How do I install this? I need to update my software.
Types of software and apps.
Browser, search engine, social media app, messaging app, email client, streaming app.
Browser is for viewing websites. Chrome, Firefox, Safari.
Search engine is Google, Bing. Email client is Gmail, Outlook.
Streaming apps, Netflix, Spotify, YouTube. Social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok.
Common software problems.
Crash, freeze, bug, glitch, error message, not responding.
Crash means the program suddenly stops. Freeze means it stops responding.
Adding bug or glitch means a problem in the software. Error message tells you something is wrong.
My computer crashed. The app froze.